Hey guys, it's Tracy and we are back with another recipe to try. So Colby and Bella have joined me today and we are going to try a recipe that I found. So I was scrolling through YouTube as one does, and I found a video from Emma's Goodies for 5-minute microwave birthday cake. I know, 5-minute microwave birthday cake. I was intrigued. I had to try it. It looked really good when she made it, and I was suspicious because I don't know about you guys, but when I microwave stuff, I feel like a lot of times it cooks oddly or comes out rubbery and it's just kind of a weird texture. So hers looked really good. She said it tasted good, so I had to try it. So we're testing out this recipe to see if it actually lives up to the hype. So we are going to get started on it. We have 3/4 of a stick of butter, and then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then 1/2 cup of sugar.
Can I do it?
Okay, dump that in. Okay, and the stick of butter should be softened because we're going to take a whisk and cream it together. And my stick isn't that soft, so I'm gonna work on creaming this together until it is nice and smooth. Okay, so I got the butter and the sugar and the vanilla cream together. I actually threw it in the microwave just to help the butter soften a little bit more, just for a few seconds. So don't make the same mistake as me. Make sure that your butter is softened enough so that you can cream it together with the sugar and the vanilla. So we've got it all creamed together, and we're going to add the yogurt, and all of the measurements are in her video, which I'm going to link in the description, so that you can check out her original video and show her channel some love, because it looked like she had a ton of great recipes and videos on there with lots of different baked goods. So adding the yogurt, I just used Greek yogurt, and I think that's what she used too. And we're going to mix that together. It actually came together nice and smoothly. It looks really nice. Bella, do you want to dump in? We have a mixture of flour and baking powder and salt in there. Dump it in.
They're all white.
Yes, they are all white. Okay. Okay, so stir it all together. I've got flour flying out of the bowl. Stir gently so that you don't make the same mistakes as I do. Okay, and then Colby, do you want to dump in our milk?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we've got 3/4 cup of milk. Put some of that back together. Okay, and then we are going to mix this all together until it comes out nice and smooth. Okay, so I whisked all of the ingredients together after I added the milk, and it came together quite nicely. It looks like a normal cake batter, and it is really pale. She said it's because we didn't add any eggs to the batter, which she avoided because she doesn't like putting eggs in recipes where you use the microwave, which I understand, because if you've ever microwaved eggs, they come out really gross and rubbery and nasty. So, bless you.
Thank you.
So we have it all mixed together. It's nice and smooth. So we are going to pour it in our prepared pan. So you want to make sure that you use a pan that is microwave safe, obviously, because we are going to put it in the microwave. And I just put some baking spray in the pan because I didn't feel like buttering and flouring the pan because I'm lazy. But however you want to do it to make sure that it doesn't stick, put down parchment paper, whatever you want to do, then go for that. So we are going to add the mixture into the pan. Making sure to get every last bit out of here because that's all yumminess that we don't want to lose. And then just smooth it out so it's nice and even. Okay. Looking good, guys. I have high hopes for this. Okay, Bella, do you want to do the honors? Can you put this in the microwave and set it to 5 minutes? Okay, so she said
5 minutes.
She said that it can take anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes depending on the type of container that you use and how big and how deep and all that good stuff. So we're going to start with 5 minutes, then check it and go from there. Okay, so we took the cake out of the microwave. It only took the 5 minutes with an 8x8 pan, and it came, ooh, it's hot. It came out nice and fluffy looking. So we are going to let this cool for a bit, and then we are going to frost it and cut into it and see how it tastes. So we will be back after it cools, and then we're gonna frost it and decorate it and cut it and see how it is. Okay, so the cake is cooled down and the girls have lovingly frosted the cake. We have our nice little square shaped cake here. Bella's going to put the finishing touches and add some sprinkles to it because who doesn't love sprinkles, right? And then we are going to get to the most important part, which is cutting into it and tasting it, seeing how it tastes. All right, so let's cut into this cake. It's nice and springy as I'm cutting it, which is a good sign. Okay, so I'm going to plate it up and then we're going to taste test it. Okay, so we plated up our cake, and now the moment of truth, taste test time. So let's see. Ready? Okay, go for it.
Mmm. It tastes like normal cake.
It's not bad.
Mmm.
It's actually really not bad. Here, I'll do a close-up so you guys can see. That is the texture, and it's really moist and fluffy. It's not an overly sweet cake, which is good. I don't like things that are just way too sweet. And it doesn't have like a gummy texture or rubbery or anything like that. I wouldn't eat this and think, oh, it came out of a microwave. It's actually really good. I'm enjoying this. What do you girls think?
I think it's really good.
These are my two cake lovers, so they are, they'll definitely tell me the
It
truth
tastes
if
like
it's
normal
good.
cake.
It does. It tastes like a regular, normal cake that you would get anywhere. So thumbs up to Emma's Goodies. It's a really good cake. It turned out well. I was very surprised for it to come out of the microwave and look like this and taste like this. So give it a try, and let us know in the comments if you guys end up making this recipe and trying it. And again, I've linked the video for Emma's Goodies for the actual recipe and her making it in the description. So let us know if you try it. Thanks for joining us. Bye.
Have a good cake day.